are at IFSEC 2022 event, Pragati Maidan, hall number 5. And with me, Mr. Ayush Gupta and Mr. Anuj Punjani. Both are co-founder of QP Secure. So, Ayush sir, can you brief us what product has been displayed in this IFSEC event?
Right, right. Hi, Bhavin. Thanks and welcome to all the viewers on your channel. We are QUIPPY Secure. So, we are a vision intelligence company and we both are ex Apple. So, we incorporated this company around 6 months back and we think we have a solution that can simplify security for the entire nation and people across. So, what we have launched is QUIPPY Hub. So, if I QUIPPY Hub is an edge AI device, I'll just show you there. Yeah. So this is the QUIPPY Hub. It's an edge AI device that connects with the new or existing cameras. Like you just need to provide it Ethernet, just a local connection and power. And it then sits in your local network and then gives advanced AI enabled proactive security and analytics over all your cameras in a user friendly way to the app. So basically, all these things, the notifications or the security events, you get it on the app, and from the app itself, you can control like what are the camera settings, or control like what algorithms need to be changed. For example, the features that we are providing are like object detection in a particular intrusion area. We are providing highlights of the day, so we are processing around 2 crore frames a day from this device itself. And the highlights feature, you can wrap up your 24 hours in just 5 minutes, entire day in just 5 minutes. That is what we are giving with the highlights feature. And you have a missing feature. For example, you can like you get alerted if your car is missing from parking, or your guard is missing from the security room, or your employee is missing from duty. So I have this missing feature also. Then tampering, like someone comes and covers your camera, it just alerts you in real time within seconds. And offline, your camera goes offline, either someone kind of makes it offline, like switches it off, or inadvertently you just get that notification also on your app. And with all these features, we are like there are a lot of proprietary algorithms that are running behind to power these features. For example, we have taken care about scene understanding. Yet scene understanding means like the device this would know what is happening actually, so that it doesn't repeatedly bother you with things.
Right.
Then we have on device learning. Basically, this is like the smallest device to have on device learning. What it does is, suppose you give getting some notifications and for some reason it's not accurate, false alerts are there, so you can just point at that out on the app itself and this device will get better and learn from it. That's on device learning as well. Then we have solved for dancing IP also for the infrastructure, which means in local network the IPs change a lot. So you have solved for that. This device automatically finds out whether the IP has changed, so it connects to that. So basically, just to wrap it up, we have made sure that this is the most user friendly, smart, proactive, secure device that can connect with your existing setup and smarten you up.
Anuj sir, can you brief us our followers and subscriber our stall number and hall number so people can visit your stall and see live demonstration over here?
Yeah. So basically, this QUIPPY is placed in hall number 4, stall number D30. So please come here and look at this innovative solution and smarten up your cameras and provide this solution to your clients as well. Thank you.
So thank you, Ayush sir and Anuj sir, both for your valuable time. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.